Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, finally TCS NQT exam is on 15th of January and TCS Smart Hiring exam is on 13th of January. Now, many of the students were asking, sir, what will be the cutoff for this examination? How many minimum question we should solve so that we can clear the exam? And also, there is a change in pattern for the TCS Smart Hiring examination. So we will discuss old pattern, we will discuss new pattern. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end so that we will discuss each and everything like your cutoff, your interview, the important topic which you should cover in this last 3 to 5 days. So let us start with the first slide here. Okay. Now, so friends, here we will discuss the examination pattern, the number of seats which is available as part of TCS NQT and Smart Hiring, the syllabus, I mean the important topic which you should now cover in 3 to 5 days. Okay, and your when will be the interview conducted, how many minimum questions you are going to solve in the exam, difference in the exam pattern, and this is definitely a do or die situation for TCS NQT and Smart Hiring. Okay, now friends, the first thing here is your exam mode will be in center. Okay, so there will not be any online examination now. That means it is very clear you cannot cheat in the examination now, right? So you will have to sit inside the examination hall and then you will have to at TCS ION center. Cutoff will definitely go down. Friends, earlier what was happening? So the exam were happening online. There were a lot of cheatings were happening. Students were able to solve more question. So we were seeing the cutoff 80% and 90%. And this percentage is not the actual percentage. Okay. So cutoff is based on percentile method. Now, what is percentile method? That also I will tell you. And my suggestion will be like solve as many questions as possible. That also I will tell you. Okay, fine. So for TCS Smart Hiring, candidate has started receiving admit card. So TCS Smart BSc Hiring, 13th of January 2024, admit card download. Okay. Now, so if you'll see the old pattern, my dear friends, so 80 questions and there were 120 minutes. But now if we'll try to see here, right? So what is the time duration? So the time duration is 50 minutes, right? So instead of 120 minutes, now you will be having 50 minutes to complete verbal ability, reasoning ability, and numerical ability. After TCS Smart Hiring, we will go to TCS NQT. Okay, fine. So now the challenge for the student is, so how they will be able to solve 80 questions in 50 minutes. Okay, so friends, I would like to tell you there is two scenarios now. Okay, so there might be two scenarios now. The first thing is, so either you will be getting 50 minutes for 80 questions or you will be getting 45 questions in 50 minutes. Okay, see, basically these patterns are the old patterns. This is how TCS has changed the pattern over time. Okay, so earlier TCS were asking 45 questions for 50 minutes, then TCS started asking 80 questions in 120 minutes, and now TCS has told 80 questions, right? So earlier 80 questions 120 minutes, and now they have told 80 questions in 50 minutes. So these two are the expected pattern. Okay, so these two are the expected pattern. But now I would like to tell you friends, see, either 45 question in 50 minutes or 80 questions in 50 minutes or whatever pattern it is, this pattern is going to be same for everyone, right? For Rahul, for Mehul, for Seema, for Rima, for everyone the pattern is going to be same, right? Everyone will face, see, 80 questions in 50 minutes will be very difficult. So even for you are not even getting 1 minute for one question. So this pattern is definitely going to be difficult. If the pattern is difficult, the cutoff will be very low, right? So the cutoff will be 40%, 50%, right? If they ask 45 question in 50 minutes, then the cutoff will definitely be 70%, 80%, or whatever 60%. This will be percentile. As I said, again I will discuss about that. So this might be expected pattern, but what you have to do is, so you have to keep in mind that this particular pattern is for everyone and we are going to give our best in the examination. Fine. Okay. Now TCS Smart Hiring was for 2023 and 2024. 2024 batch. Now, if we'll talk about TCS NQT hiring, this is only for 2024 batch, and exam is on 15th of January. Okay. So here, if you'll see the pattern, so numerical ability, 25 questions, verbal ability, 25 questions, reasoning ability, 20, sorry, this is minute. So this is minute. So total 75 minutes. And if we'll talk about the question, then 20, 20, 40, and this 65 question. So basically you will be getting 65 questions in 75 minutes. Okay. So you will be getting almost, right? So more than a minute for one question, and TCS NQT examination level will be good, right? So we are also solving the questions. If you'd have seen here, right? Uh, Here, if you go to the playlist, right? Or if you check on our page, so we are solving verbal ability questions, and also we are having the live classes. Okay. So live classes on aptitude, live classes on coding, so we are conducting on daily basis now. So friends, and one more thing which I wanted to tell you, so the number of seats, so TCS is planning to hire 40,000 freshers. Okay. No plans to conduct large scale layoff. So this is old news definitely, but this was for the financial year 2024 now. So friends, 40,000 fresher will be hired from combinedly both NQT and Smart Hiring. It is not only for NQT, it is not only for Smart Hiring. In NQT, we have now three different profile: Ninja, Digital, and Prime, right? Okay. And this is Smart Hiring, we will be getting the profile as Ignite. Okay. So 65 question in 70 minutes. This is a pattern as of now. Now somebody will ask, sir, how many questions I should solve? 40 questions I should solve to crack to get the interview call, or I should solve 50 questions, or I should solve uh, you know 30 question to get the interview call. Okay. Again, I will answer for this. Now the next slide is regarding that. So friends, the cutoff, no, the cutoff depends upon the difficulty level of the paper. That is the first thing. And second thing, so here the percentage is basically the percentile. Now suppose the exam is having total 100 question. Now we suppose many, right? So many are saying, sir, the cutoff will be 60 to 70% or 80%. That means you have to solve 80 questions. No, it is not like that. Actually, what happens? So suppose we have 100 questions, and the topper, the maximum marks scored by someone is 80. So now if the cutoff is 60%, then you have to solve only 48 questions, not 60 questions, right? Because now this is not a 100 marks, now it is the total marks will become 80. So that is what is your percentile method. So what you have to do, my dear friends, in the examination, you have to attempt as many questions as possible, right? So if there are 65 questions, try to attempt, okay, because there will be no negative marking. So because there will be no negative marking, there will be no negative marking, and you will be also getting on a screen calculator. You will be also getting on a screen calculator, right? So no negative marking. You will be also getting on a screen calculator. Solve as many questions as possible correctly. Okay. So don't think that you have to solve only 30 questions. You have to solve only 35 questions. You have to solve only 40 questions, because you will not be able to understand the difficulty level of the paper, and you will also not come to know so what uh, you know the topper has scored, right? Okay. So definitely, if you want to score more, friends, so on TCS NQT as well as the TCS BPS, for both we have released the crash course, right? And this will be therefore, if you get one material, it will help you for all the examination, right? Okay. So both the links will be in the description. You can see the content. So this content you can easily go through it, right? So watch all the videos. So we have the mock test series also. We have the previous year actual question. So TCS BPS previous year question, if you'll see here. So right, so you can see the previous year questions. Aptitude reasoning is there. Okay. Now, so if you go to NQT also, we have covered each and everything, right? So here you can see programming, test series, interview, aptitude, reasoning. So friends, the course is like a crash course, and you can easily crack the examination if you follow this. Fine. Okay. So don't, if you're really serious, get it now. Don't waste your time. So this is how you have to attempt. So there is no minimum number of questions which you should solve, and there is no particular cutoff, right? So see, we have seen that the cutoff in percentile will be 60 to 80%, but again it depends upon the level of the paper. Now friends, as we have less timing, So if we have less timing, then definitely we should identify the topic from where more number of questions will be asked in either NQT or smart hiring examination. So see, we will be having simplification, percentage, average, statistics, profit loss, number system. In number system only divisibility rule questions and all will come. Time and work, data interpretation, simple and compound test. This is a quick study plan. Okay, so this is a quick study plan for aptitude. If we'll talk about reasoning, then blood relation, number series, syllogism, figure and factuals, alphabetical series, sitting arrangement. Again, I said quick. So this is the topic which you should quickly read in absence of time. Close test, comprehension, error spotting, sentence completion, synonyms, antonyms, para jumbles. Okay. Now, friends, your interview, no. So the interview will be conducted within 20 to 25 days of your written test. So 13th or 15th you have exam. So basically by February first week, you should be expecting your interview, right? Okay. So we will discuss more on interview after your written test, but this is what is the plan. Okay, fine. Now, friends, so if you want to go through the videos which we have done recently, so you can go to the playlist. Okay, so you can go to the playlist and then you can see TCS NQT 2024. So here we have done a lot of videos like reasoning, repeated question, okay, and then most repeated questions, smart hiring complete percentage, okay, work time and work problems, compound interest, okay, and then repeated topics, and then here you can see mock test on the latest pattern, right, and actual coding questions, verbal ability mock test, okay, and then again, so yesterday there was a live class for 1 hour 14 minutes, okay. So this playlist link also I will give you in the video description. So TCS is going to hire 40,000 freshers. It's a do and die scenario for all of you. Now get this course, utilize this 5 days, okay, read this, okay, at least go through the videos, watch in 2x speed, so that in examination you will be getting the similar kind of pattern and you will be able to do well in the examination. Thank you, take care, and don't forget to like the video, friends, and do share with your friends if you think it is useful. Bye bye, take care, and all the very best.